welcome to the first episode of Amtrak 225's Train Toy/Model Reviews. Today we are reviewing the cat train. Hold on, let me go grab the track for it. I have the track. So this is a pretty detailed model. It's based off of a Toy class of engine. What is it looking at? Also, it kind of doesn't want to go in the track right now, but that's the track, a piece of it. Look at how detailed this little model is. Look at the ears. Oh, and look at the tail. Also, look at how soft it is to attach that. It includes a loop track, which just cut some of it. Well, I don't think it wants to look at me right now. I think it might be mad at me. But anyways, let's go. April Fools!